everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone SE. So if you look at the left side here, you can see the volume up, down, and then the power button. So usually when you turn it off, you press volume up and the power button at the same time, and it brings you to the screen where you can slide power off. But there's no option to restart. So what you want to do is press up, down, and then hold down the power button. Up, down, hold down the power button. Right here, you'll see the screen, except without emergency on the bottom. Continue to hold it down right here, and after about 5 to 10 seconds, the phone will manually restart. And then the screen is going to go blank, and you should see the iPhone or the Apple logo pop open after about 10 seconds of waiting. And the phone is going to go ahead and just reboot. So just wait for it, otherwise, if it doesn't, just continue to just turn it on like normal. And there's the Apple logo, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.